How can you find and treat mold in your home?
Ew.
It's important to keep your basement free from mold for both the health of your home and your family. Let's learn how to spot mold and get rid of it safely and prevent it from coming back. Mold needs two things to be able to grow: moisture and organic material. These two things are commonly found in damp, dark places like basements and crawl spaces. It can lurk behind walls or under furniture or in plain sight, and you might not even know it's there until you notice a musty smell or visible growth. And to make things worse, they release spores that travel across the air, contaminating your basement and the rest of your home. No one wants that. The CDC recommends immediate removal with bleach or dish detergent mixed with water. Painting over it, caulk it, or just wiping it off won't work. Also, make sure to toss out moldy food and thoroughly clean affected surfaces like walls, carpet, and furniture with professional cleaning products. Once the mold is removed, it's crucial to fix the source of the problem, which is the moisture. If you clean up the mold, but don't deal with the root cause of the problem, it will always find its way back into your home. The best way to deal with basement mold is to waterproof your basement. Installing an interior drainage system, a sump pump, a wall seal, and a dehumidifier. This limits the moisture in your basement and stops the spread of mold. Warning: the most dangerous type of mold in your basement is toxic black mold. This mold possesses a serious health risk to people and pets. It's greenish black, smells musty or rotten, and thrives near water damage, like a leaky pipe in a basement. Be especially careful if you're planning to remove this yourself, and if possible, contact a professional. Remember, a dry basement is a happy basement. By addressing mold promptly and taking preventative measures, you can create a healthy living environment for you and your family. Give Groundworks a call to get a free basement inspection.